Congratulations on your start in real estate. It is so exciting and kind of scary at the same time because there's so much to learn. And so, what I want you to know is Keller Williams is the place to be when you start in real estate because we give you the fundamental training quickly and all the support and guidance that you need to launch into business and make money quickly. Now, most agents make a few mistakes. They go wherever their friend is or wherever their realtor that they worked with last is. And you really want to do your homework on what training and actual one-on-one support you're going to get, because that is a differentiator between your success and your failure. And I think it's sad but true. A lot of people fail in the business because they just don't get a good enough start. So second thing that you need to know is our training is free and open to everyone. So even if you've already made some sort of commitment to another brokerage or a friend, you know, in the business, I want you to feel comfortable reaching out to us and participating in any of our masterminds or attending any of our training. And truth be told, if you do, you may end up joining us because you may realize we're more of the environment you need. And worst case scenario, just got some free training. So don't be shy about it. We expect you to say yes, and we hope you do. And third of all is, you know, some people are better off being part of an already well-oiled machine than being on their own. About 80% of our agents actually thrive, especially when they're beginning out in the business, by being part of a well-established team that provides leads and some more opportunity. If that is the case for you, there's some amazing opportunities that you could really launch your career from that I'd be happy to run by you. So again, my name is Jessica Fox. I would love to meet with you about your real estate career, give you some good ideas and some guidance. And it's no strings attached. The door is always wide open for you at Keller Williams because we're the place to start your business. Can't wait to connect with you.